If you are new in this video, I'm back! Hello and welcome to Letsee Garage, Lotus Esprit Turbo SE, Letsee. A quick recap of my situation. Last year in December I lost my job, I had a lung surgery, I had a stroke and I had a hole in my heart. But I'm now all fixed up and ready to continue the engine maintenance series part 2. Woohoo! Enjoy! Task list, and it says throttle cable, fuel line, speed cable, exhaust pipe to turbo, cooling line, oil lines, gear select cables and muffler support. Let's start with the speed cable. I think speed cable is the easiest thing here. Maybe. There's a clip and voila! One task complete. Lose the bolt or not. This is interesting, really interesting. Okay, then another one. How hard can it be? Ball joints. Like so. What? As you can see, it was easy. It was easy. I was like, these nuts are going to be really difficult, but it was a surprise. And it was a good surprise. Yeah, this is my extra heat shield for the engine compartment. It's interesting to miss the words aluslevyrikka. In English, what is it? Like so. Extra heat shield. So. Oh. Fuel line, throttle, speed cable, check. Exhaust pipe to turbo, check. Cooling line, no. Oil lines, no. Gear select cables, checked. Muffle support. Okay, let's check this out. This is okay. Interesting. What is the easiest way to take the brackets off. These are really easy because they are so small. The other one is there. No, man. How do I get that one? Oh, where are you? Bracket. There. What about the pipes? Let's cut the muffler. Metal fatigue. Come on. Okay. Please don't do like that. Oh man. If you're new in my channel, please subscribe and like this video. And remember that anything is possible and you can have everything you want. Thanks for watching.
You can do everything that you want. You can do everything.